Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Smurfette. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off in the center and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a curve up and bring it down, leaving the bottom open. Now on top, let's draw the eyes. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve up to the left and bring it back in. And the same thing for the other eye. Now let's hop in and let's draw a circle on the bottom inside corners. And another one inside these. Now inside these circles, let's draw another one on the top right. And color the rest of the pupils in black. Now let's hop up to the top of the eyes. Let's add another curve inside to thicken up the top. Then we're going to hop out and let's draw the eyelashes, starting with a curve out, a longer one underneath, and one more shorter one on both sides. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the left eye and let's draw a small curve. Then let's draw a curve down and over to the right side. And then a larger one underneath to close off the shape of the mouth. Now let's hop in, and for the teeth, let's draw a curve along the top and a line up. And then at the bottom, let's draw a bump for the tongue. And that's it for the mouth. Now we're going to hop up and we're going to start drawing the hair. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line across, bringing it on top of the eyes and curving it back in on the right side. Now let's move underneath on the right here and let's draw a wavy line down. And let's draw another wavy line on the left like this. Now we're going to hop in between and we're going to draw a curve across for the chin. And then inside, let's draw a curve on top of each eye for the eyebrows. Now let's move back up to the top and let's continue drawing the hair. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a large curve over to the right and curve it back in. And then underneath here, let's draw a wavy line down. And the same thing on the left. Now we're going to take a pause on the hair and we're going to move to the top and draw the hat. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up. And then let's curve it across the top of the head and bring it down. Now let's move back over on the left and let's draw a curve up. And then from the top, we're going to draw a large curve over to the right and curve it back inside like this. And then one more curve down on the right to close off the hat. Now that we're done the hat, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve down. and then an angle down on both sides for the shoulders. Now under the shoulders here, let's draw 2 curves down, and then let's bring it down and out for the sides of the dress. Now underneath each side, let's draw a curve back in, and then one more curve, dipping it down and back up in the center to close off the dress. Now let's hop in and let's draw the pattern. At the bottom, let's draw a teardrop shape in the center, and one more on each side. And then in the space in between, let's draw 2 smaller ones. And that's it for the dress. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start at the shoulders and let's angle it down and out. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve down and up for the thumbs. And then for the other line, let's angle it out. Then let's curve it down and back in to close off the hands. Now that we're done the arms and hands, we can move back out and finish drawing the hair. From the lines we drew earlier, let's curve it in, and then continue it on the other side of the arms. Now let's hop to the bottom and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the dress and let's draw 2 angles down and out in the center. And then 2 more next to these. Now underneath the middle lines, let's draw a small bump down. And then for the shape of the feet, let's draw a long curve down and back up on an angle like this. And let's add another curve inside. And lastly, let's add the heel. At the back of the feet, let's draw a line down, and then bring it over at the bottom. And that's it for Smurfette. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!